Okay, next I will show you how to replace the Auger screw when you want to pack different powders. The first step, you need to remove all the leftover powder inside by the touch screen in this area. You can put the mixer motor on and the mixer devices will start working, and press this withdraw material. Press it and you will find the material will release from the hopper inside. Just press it on the touch screen. And until the material remove all from the hopper, and then we can open this screw to take it off the Auger screw shaft. Okay, when we all remove the powder from the hopper, then we can start to disassemble the Auger screw inside. Okay. Open the screws and of the mixer motor. And also open the hopper. Now you can take off the Auger screw. Press the screw out of top and take out the Auger screw shaft. And then let's clean the powder inside of the hopper manually. 然后就换新的，是不是？
等一下，我简单吹一下先。
好，先吹一下。可以给他看一下他是怎么吹。
等一下，你要再发一个光那个。
好。You can use the air cleaner to flush the powder inside. Okay, after all cleaned up, and then we start assemble a new Auger screw shaft. Use the circle, the metal circle to wear it on the Auger screw center and plug the Auger screw shaft and okay, assemble it and unlock the handle. And also lock this two parts by this handle. Fastening it and connect to air tube to the air cylinder. Okay. That is the steps for assemble and replace the different Auger screw.